Hello people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is another video and I'll be making salad. I'll show you 5 basic things you need to make delicious salad, like delicious salad. So of course the first one we have here is cabbage. So we have here our cabbage, and the next one I'll be showing you is carrots. You need carrots. So we have avocado pear, and we have here sausage and egg, and of course you have your salad cream. So people, here are the 5 basic things. These are the 5 basic things that you need to make delicious, quick, yummy salad. So people, let's start. So I'm going to start first by washing the avocado skin, and then I also wash the carrots. So these are the 2 things that I'll be washing. So guys, just stay tuned.
What about the cabbage?
Okay guys, so here we just wash the avocado and the carrots. So people, here I just washed the carrots and the avocado pear. So I'll be cutting this cabbage. I always like to take out the back skin. I like to remove the back skin. If possible, remove one more skin. But at this point in time, I think it's almost okay. So I'm just gonna remove these 2 parts. Transfer this into my bowl. Next, I'm going to be cutting the carrots. See, for some reason, I just like to take off some parts of the back skin. Guys, here is our basic salad ingredients. We have avocado, carrots, cabbage, sausage, and egg. So here are the things we have here in this bowl. Next is to add salad cream.